Here at BR Masonry, we identify the problem and provide the perfect solution for your brickwork. This is a common problem we see. Over time, weather and settling can cause significant cracking.
I am so happy with my new chimney, and the quality of the work is just fantastic.
Couldn't be happier with the chimney restoration. These guys did an amazing job, top-notch work from start to finish. They did a fantastic job on our chimney, looks brand new. We're really happy with it.